Welcome. This is Dr. Foreman, and this is the Supercharging Health series. We're going to do this together again, and I'm going to lead you through this. Let's do this right now. The first thing we do is bring our hands in Gyan Mudra. And from this mudra here, we can just bring our hands over to our lap. So just place them comfortably on your lap. That's what I'm going to be doing. Breath of Glow is the first breath that we do. Like we said, we actually exhale before we inhale. We give before we receive. And this primes us to take in immense amounts of energy. And I'll give you a lot more detail about how powerful this is. It literally saves you from 700 forms of disease, and it's amazing. So what you're going to do is you'll inhale through the nose, and as you exhale, you're going to snap the navel back and basically pull root lock. You're going to squeeze the rectum, the sex organs, and pull the navel all the way back, tensing that, holding that mobile on for a second, and relax as you inhale. And then snap it back as you exhale, and then relax as you inhale again. And you're just going to do this for 5 minutes. We're going to do this for 5 minutes. Ready? And here we go together. Doing excellent. Halfway done. Just release anything you don't need. Just let it out. seconds left. Doing amazing. Stay with it. Really let it go now. Really just exhale everything you don't need. Snap it out. Almost there. Bring the tongue to the roof of the mouth, push it up tight, hold the hands overhead, and hold the root lock this time for about 30 seconds if you can, or a minute. Hold it strong. Hold it, hold it, hold it. You shake your hands overhead, and the longer you hold it, the more you're going to extricate yourself from any disease. Exhale strongly. Take a deep breath in again. And hold it. Bring your hands together over your head. Hold that root lock. Hold the tongue to the tip of the roof of the mouth. Shake your hands out again. And if you want, you can laugh a little bit. Laughing is the best thing for your immune system. Okay, well, this is the first part. You've done amazing for yourself doing this. Now we're going to bring it right over to the next part. Just 2.5 minutes okay, here we go. Breath of fire, 2.5 minutes. What we do is we bring our thumbs and we touch our pinky and our ring finger. This is called the silver triangle. So we just got that on both sides here. Hands up just like this in this position here, and we're going to breathe in and out. Breath of fire, most of you know. You exhale, focus on the exhale, and the inhale will take care of itself. Inhale, exhale at a very rapid pace. We're going to do that 2.5 minutes. We've now exhaled and gotten rid of all this energy, gotten rid of all this negativity. We're now going to inhale and just draw in enormous amounts of light, and then we'll just cool off after one more special thing we're going to do that's kind of the absolute cherry. So here we go together, okay? Breath of fire. And let's go. 2.5 minutes. Doing amazing. Stay with me. Keep up, keep going, you're doing fantastic. Just about, you're almost there, about 30 seconds left, so here we go. Take a deep breath in. Hold the hands over the head. Keep the tongue in the roof of the mouth for about 15 seconds. Pull that root lock. Pull that. Squeeze that perineum. Squeeze that area and pull the root lock. You're going to create that vacuum of all the light holding in. And let it out. And allow yourself to just breathe easy for a moment. Just breathe easy for one moment. You've done fantastic. And for some of you, I know if that's new, you might have really been pushing. So good job. Fantastic. And we're going to move on with one more piece that's a little stranger and more intense and really is the pièce de résistance here in terms of making this amazing, amazing for your health. So, and that will be called panting dog. Okay, panting dog breath. Just amazing. Okay, you know this is working when you're feeling tingling in your thighs and your back and even your toes. So it will make you tingle. You're going to extend your tongue out as far as you can, probably much farther than I extend mine, but this is the farthest I can go. But all the way out, if you can, even to touch your chin. And you're going to leave it out there. You're going to inhale and exhale as strongly as you can. And we're just doing this for a minute. Generally, it would be for about a minute and a half. But let's start out with 1 minute. And you're going to inhale and out, exhale. And basically, you're going to say, har. That's your intention, like, har. Like that, basically, okay? Gyan Mudra is the same mudra, and you're just going to gently, you can lay this on your lap again, or you lay it this way, whatever's comfortable for you. You're going to do this for 1 minute. When you're done, you bring your hands overhead, and what you're going to do is bring the tongue to the roof of the mouth and push it up against the palate as hard as you can for about 15 seconds. Exhale. Inhale again. Push it on the roof of the mouth for 15 seconds. Exhale. Inhale again. Do it. We're going to do that 3 times, okay? And this will supercharge your entire immune system. You have 84 meridians in your mouth, and this activates virtually all of them. And the benefits go on and on. We'll talk about them more, of course, in class, and there will be detail with this as well. So that I'll give you some information that will go along with this as a PDF. But basically, this is it. After that, it's just Satali Pranayam to calm and cool down. So here we go. Here we go together, okay? You with me? All right, 1 full minute. Here we go. Gyan Mudra, tongue out. Seconds. Inhale. Pull the root lock. Push that tongue to the roof of the mouth as tight as you can for 15 seconds. Tight, tight, hold hard. Activate the whole immune system. And let it out. Okay, inhale again. Press the tongue against the roof of the mouth. 15 more seconds, hard as you can. And let it out. One more time, here we go. Inhale. Press the roof of the tongue against the tip. I'm at the top of the mouth. And exhale and shake your hands, and you can let yourself laugh a little now. Okay, this is fantastic. If you've done all this, you have now given your body a supercharge that's probably never had its whole lifetime if you've never done this particular set, and this was particularly with these mudras. Now, it's just Satali Prani. Okay, 5 minutes of just cool down and refresh. Normally it's recommended 11 minutes, but those are longer values. Just relax, sit back. You know how to do Satali Pranayam. You go and inhale with the tongue to the roof of the mouth. exhale through the nose. Or if you know how to curl your tongue, if you can curl your tongue, then curl your tongue with the way. Curl it and inhale through the curled tongue. For those of us who don't have that genetic ability, just put your tongue to the roof of your mouth. We're going to do this for 5 minutes together and just allow this to flow through you. The benefits of this are just so immense, and then adding this with this entire series that you just did right now will literally supercharge your energy. Just speak to some of the students that have done it, and they'll tell you this. This is one of the most powerful things you can do. This will literally change your entire chemical and hormonal makeup. So here we go. Satali Pranayam, again, hands in Gyan Mudra or whatever's comfortable, and 5 minutes. If you want to put your eyes, just put them straight in front of you, or you can close them, look at your third eye, whatever you prefer is comfortable for you. 15 more seconds. Okay, one more deep breath in. Root lock, bring it over your head. Hold it there, let the light shine in right from your heart. Hold the root lock so you bring it up, bring the tongue to the roof of the mouth so you hold it in. Let that light grow and grow until you let it bust out and bust out laughing. Clapping is good too. Congratulations. You just did one of the most powerful health series you can do for turning your whole brain and blood chemistry around. So enjoy the high and enjoy this. I hope you'll do this every day or every opportunity you have. It goes great with the Shakti breath sequence. So I'll be sharing a lot more with you and look forward to connecting with you soon. Blessings and Sat Nam.
Jagadguru Namah Satguru Namah Sri Gurudeva Namah Ad Satcha Jagad Satcha Evi Satcha Nanaka OCB Satcha Ad Satcha Jagad